TGIF mono. TGIF.
Jesus.
Back home.
Yeah.
Oh.
Show me the opening range, baby.
Oh yeah. Dollar ranging. Oh, oh.
Wow, that triggered so many orders. That's ridiculous.
Again, it's a retail long.
That triggered so many orders. It's ridiculous. Where are my breakout artists at?
Oh yeah.
I love it.
Oh yeah. What's it?
Preposterous.
The way it's moving. Dollar looks bearish on the 4 hour. Choosing previous imbalances as resistance.
There's two key components to dollar. It's that and
What?
I would keep an eye on this candle.
To see if it'll stop price.
It will stop price.
Yeah. I feel like yesterday was its weekly move. Right, you think there's potential for this Friday to just long hard all day for the highs?
Um,
fuck?
hard to tell. I know Dow wants to catch that.
Well, Dow made such a strong move yesterday.
Yeah, that's the issue right now.
For Nas.
Yeah, but Nas just doesn't have that in it. Like, it hasn't been wanting to do that.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be revisited. They're not gonna leave that like. But if
We're
you
still in.
allow people to continue participating in this long after that push up like that with the triggers of the buy stops above the market highs? No chance.
Do you mark out the 6:35 minute fair value gap where that doesn't qualify?
No, that doesn't qualify. The 5 minute needs time to develop.
Okay.
That's usually why we mark it out near 7 a.m.
All right.
Is the arrow on?
It's good, brother.
You believe the long?
Just chilling, bro.
Same. I asked you a question. Do you believe the long?
It's gotta set up, bro. Not gonna take anything right now.
So you somewhat believe in the long.
Yeah, I'm very bullish.
Okay, good to know I'm the only one. Look at that retail paradise right there. See this line? That's the weekly high, right? Look at that. If you're on with me during the nighttime session, I'm grinning right now. Imagine you have this. Just imagine that. So what we were talking about last night. So just visualize the fact that you have this. This and also this. Those two levels. Most probably this one because of the 5 minute wick. I'm not telling you to take that position. Don't get it twisted. It's a visualization that if you're in the long, you're entering right there. Now I want you to notice what's at that level. What's at that level? Where my break and retest guys at? Dow Jones setting up. That's the risky short. Not gonna take the risky play today. Let me clear this off the screen. I need better visual. The tandem party. Dow and Nasdaq are moving very accordingly.
Dollar is approaching that level, right? And Nas has an NWOG, like 20 handles up.
$10. 10 minutes. That's gonna be daily high vibes. Let's wait for news.
Okay. Three, two, one.
We just missed the move. Remember the stop loss on that long?
Yeah.
I just got tagged out.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I can't enter it like this. Mother. More time, come on. Trigger them one more time.
Dow equal lows.
Come on, bro. Trigger them one more time. A little bit higher. Come on. Errol, talk to me. This is when you start talking, bro.
If you're looking for shorts, just watch the 7 a.m. 1 minute FVG if they want to use it as resistance, but I'm watching 15-minute fair value gap at 6:30.
This is what I'm looking at as of right now. They dropped it past the breakout artist level. They pushed it back up, triggered the people that are going long one more time in this area. This candle can flip and go bear to target the 20% and then the 30% down here.
Dow has equal lows left behind. And dollar's climbing. A little bit.
Congratulations, you are the weakest link. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Get us out of the woods.
Take a partial. TP level hit. Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
Taking another partial right here. Running stop loss BE. Key level 20% right here, which is underneath the 1 minute FEG, which should be used as inversion now. And we have the 30% down here, so these are the two levels that I have on the screen. So now I'm gonna delete this guy. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute. First FEG is this FEG on the 5 minute. Until it can go past this, this is a short. Dow Jones is in last tick area. If it goes below that previous high that it had, it's gonna short off. Tapped into the 1 minute FEG, used as inversion, pushing down to tag out this level. This was critical right here.
Look at Dow.
This candle is critical right here. So let's see how this right leg reacts. We have a low, we have a lower low. Love, keep an eye on 2300.
I didn't even notice we had them. But I see it.
We're not out of the woods just yet.
Yeah, I feel that.
Fake bear flag. Careful.
Mhm.
This is either gonna be last tick long or the entire flip of structure. I'm just waiting to see what happens inside of this wick.
Dow has equal lows.
Yeah,
But it has the gap up above.
that's the gap up above isn't the issue on Dow. The issue on Dow is the OB candle. 535.
I see.
Alright, never mind that. Good shit, Nas.
Good boy. He's good boy. He's a good guy. Do you have the weekly range marked out?
Duh.
Six. Small week. It's practically almost there at the 30. There's a small fair value gap at the 30% on the week. Did you notice that on the 4 hour?
No, I didn't notice that.
Just tapped into it ever so slightly.
60 handle run. Not a bad spot.
Yeah.
Partial, you don't need to let it get to the full TP right here. You can take one off right now.
It's 14 handles away from that 2300. That was very resistant.
Tell me that's the move. Please.
Of the year.
Let Friday do its thing and tell me that that's the move. Not today's move, the move.
The move, yeah. I mean, what did it tap off of, right? What made you think high of day? I know there's an end dog over there.
Bro, it's just pure retail loan.
Yeah.
There's no fucking way they're holding that shit. I threw on a funded position left right here with a $200 stop, which landed right here at this wick. And that was a liquidity grab inside that FEG. But as soon as I got this drive down right here, I just closed it out.
Come on, show some continuation now. Come on, brother. You can do it, brother.
That was too scary, bro. That was too strong. If one of them is the dump, it's gonna be Nas, not Dow.
Yeah, I feel that. It's a good point. Owen on it.
That NWAG on Nasdaq.
Oh, the NWAG never got filled on the week.
Throw some screenshots up for anyone who's in the move.
My average price is gonna look fucked up because I accidentally clicked the sell button, but my entry was much higher.
Or sign, I like that profit.
Talking about your one floater. There better be a reason as to why you have one contract on that spot, Arson. No. But tell me that started off as 6. That's Rob's gong level right there. Let's see if we could get it.
Gong.
Rob wants the gong.
Isn't the gong.
Here, bro?
They move, they move. Hey, they move.
This hourly can close below the 610 candle, 5-minute candle. This thing is about to flood.
I'm in for the ride.
Five, not 6. I was gonna pop more in a 7-way, but I was unsure if that was a good spot or not. Ars, you're making a withdrawal today. Arson, text me your total thing. Total PNL on the day.
Books. What drawings it?
$2,300 hit. We're inside NWAG right now. It has another 24 handles until the low, but that's the 50% of NWAG right there.
Noted. And I need you.
Oh, you're on a funded account, hold your position, bro. You don't need to ask me questions right now. And of course Rob isn't here, but I know my boy Alex wants his gong too. Give Alex the gong. Let me prepare it.
I've been raping everyone's mic all week.
It might clean up this entire weekly range.
Full weekly flip.
Mm-hmm. When I saw yesterday's daily candle close, it looked fake bull flag to me, bro. That's how I saw it. I didn't see it as a full-blown long.
Yeah.
I told Eric yesterday near session close, I'm like, this doesn't look like a long to me. Because if it was a long, that previous daily candle would have went and closed above the Tuesday candle.
Dollar's longing hard.
I'm sure it is. Right off of
In the
my
4 out.
look at my level.
On. Yeah.
Look at my level.
Perfect. I had the fair value gap marked out on the hourly. They coincide. Now if Dow can get going to confirm it fully, that would be nice. Because both NAS and S&P are at the low of the day.
And I miss you. Da-na-na-na-na-na. I miss you. Da-na-na-na-na-na. And now I wonder
Run it.
if they could go for my TP. Because Alex wants the gong. Oh yeah, you know I walked 1,000 miles to get to this TP tonight. Come on, Big Daddy. Once again, I'll tell you this, your short entry is the spot on the day.
New 5-minute. That was about to start going on 5-minute.
See you, Hybrid. Hope you
Bye-bye, Hybrid.
today, bro. Or I should say this week in general, bro. And now I wonder. So, Team Elite guys, you guys have market dissection with me today. The rest of the team, you guys have market review with Eric. During market dissection, we're gonna run position management. So just plan for that. It'll probably be around, I want to say 5 o'clock or so, somewhere there. Market dissection, but market review will be right after we're done with session.
Running it. Run it.
Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, run it.
I'm just curious who had a runner on the long side.
You not know our team, bro? Nobody holds the runner, Eric.
Overnight, it was just. I mean, even when we were entering the short, it was up a very good chunk. Also, a good indicator to take profit.
It's tapping off to 30% of the weekly range.
Yeah, it's that red line I have. Mono's like everyone just got to their jobs. No, actually, bro, my dad literally, as you sent that in, left the house. That's basically it for Friday. I mean, that 30%
Yeah,
is like the spot.
I think we should run the review a little early.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's just give this a little bit of time. See you on. Have a good weekend, bro.
See you, bro. And just to say something, I know everyone didn't participate in the move, which is completely fine because I didn't even participate on the move.
The runner comes out of when it breaks 1 minute at Fiji.
I just used Ryan's position as an indicator to take more profits on the long position from yesterday. It's a beautiful move.
$7.17. Oh.
You know what just sucks about this month, bro?
That it's an ass month.
That it's just played out already so much in one direction. That it's an issue, bro. Like again, it's gonna need a brand new month for the bigger picture on the higher time frame.
Eric, you have a question.
I have, oh shit. Explain
Larry, I'll see you later, bro. Have a good day, man.
what do you mean, Manu? Like when I was saying, um, yeah, what do you mean? Yeah, because very simple, bro. You look at the monthly candle right now, it's already expanded in one direction so much. We've already played out in one direction so much. You look at the daily, it's basically played out 1,000 handles already. And it's like the
Be a
monthly.
nasty week, bro. Next week can be a nasty week based off of that structure. Like, depending on where today closes and how this weekly closes, next week could be the drop off of this month.
Yeah, next week could be a really nice week. I mean, every week is a nice week, bro. Doesn't really matter, honestly.
Oh, yeah, I feel you, but I'm talking like next week might be a full directional week. Like next week can have 1,000 handle dump off. This week's range from Monday low to high is 361 handles, Eric.
Yeah, I could see the monthly.
That's retarded, bro. That weekly range is 361 handles.
I could see this monthly closing like that, which would be that range.
Like if this candle goes and closes, like let's say underneath March's candle, right? So bearish candle, this candle pushed up into like the 50% of March's body, drops down, closes near or below the wick, next monthly candle opens, dump off.
Exactly, and you're answering Manu's question because when I say that, I mean this candle's most likely not gonna snap April 1st low. It's gonna need a new monthly candle because it's already played out in one direction so fat, which is the long direction. That doesn't mean it still can't, it can still short off 400 handles from here and close at the midpoint, which would just be a upper wick on the monthly, and it'll close at the midpoint. But it's not gonna come and snap the previous monthly. It's very unlikely to do that. It's gonna need a new monthly for that bigger picture. That's what I'm trying to say. But you're always gonna get that 100 handle move in that. In any market, any range, you'll get that 100 handle move on the week. And just notice how Ryan and I all week we didn't load up that fat. We're very chill until the three most high probability days. Wednesday, Thursday being the highest probability day in my opinion, and from what the chart is telling me, it is the highest probability day. And then you have Friday. We couldn't trade Monday, Tuesday that heavy
And it's
because
because
we
of the
didn't have
way that.
clarity.
Let me explain what you're saying. It's because of the way NWAC got left open on Monday. I can't trade it like that. I can't push it. Like, I have to just chill on Tuesday. And then I have to see if Wednesday will go run Tuesday to be able to set me up to run up. But if it doesn't drop down to take out at least 1 day worth of liquidity, then there's nothing I can do. But we played a play on to Wednesday too, no?
Yeah, we had a long
There you go. So yeah, the three most probable days.
Wednesday 80 handles, Wednesday 80 handles, Thursday you can look at it as 100 handles or 250 handles, depending on if you held the runner or not, which it never even came close to entry. And today, you could like 100 handles, 90 handles, whatever it is. 3 days in a row, back to back, no losses. I don't even remember what happened on Monday and Tuesday.
So answer me this question in very basic terms. When do you load up the most? Like, on what day should you have the confidence to load up the most on the move? Who can answer that question for me?
It's a
When your first TP is very far away. Now, we just talked about it, right? You have high probability setups this week. However, your high probability setups are within a very tight range. There's nowhere for price to go. Long time frame, big time frame. Are we short or long? We're short.
short.
Okay. But this week is setting me up a long model. So can I load up fat just automatically off the bat? No, can't load up fat. So if I am gonna load up sort of fat, what days should I load up? The higher probability days, which means I have to allow the week to play a little bit before I come in to load up. Now, if I don't load up and I kick back and I wait for that one clean play where that take profit is, let's say, like the first take profit is like 70 handles away, 80 handles away. And then I see a second take profit of like 160, 200 handles away. That's the position that you load up fat on. That's the position that changes the entire scenario. That changes your mindset, that changes your entire trading career, that changes everything. Go back to the example, my story of the first 100K day. That first take profit was 150 handles away. So if I have a take profit that's 150 handles away, that's the day that I need to load up that position. That's the day that I need to just like dump a shit ton into the market and throw big risk on that position, because if it runs, it's getting there quick. The reason why most people don't hold the trade is because they don't hold it because it's not quick enough to run that massive play. Yeah, Rob, I got you. Hang on a second. One more time. Congratulations, boys. 100 handles. Bang, bang,
Now went, bro.
bang, bang.
Yeah, ended up running. But it took me out right before it went.
That's how it goes. That's just how it goes, bro.
Just gotta keep the big stop on it.
Dow Jones. That's the full model on Dow Jones.
I'm feeling FOMO, bro. What should I do?
Who said that? You're saying that?
Eric,
No, Arrow, don't feel FOMO. Take a long, Eric. Bust the Bruce. Bust the Bruce, Arrow.
My long entry is They're attacking it, bro.
They're attacking your long entry.
They're literally attacking and nothing stopping it.
I'm telling you, that spot was the play on Dow. If you look at the 5 minute, the way that 5 minutes set up, that last wick up, once that candle drops, you throw 13 handle stop. That's a 79 handle run in 10 minutes. All those equal lows down there on the one.
Yeah, like I knew it was gonna run, I just couldn't tell when or how to enter it anymore, so I just left it.
You gotta, Dow is something you have to have a great deal of patience with.
Yeah.
Great deal of patience. You jump the gun, it'll eat you alive. Or you bust the Alex and you just throw it on without a stop and you just hope for the best. You just have to accept the direction and just throw on the position.
Yeah, like I had to short. I've never seen Dow leave behind 4 equal lows and not go. Oh.
All right. Well, boys, that's basically it for the day. Errol, what time do you want to run a review, or you want to run it right now?
I need like 5 minutes and I'm clear.
Okay, we're gonna listen to some music until then, but I'm gonna stop the recording.
Also,